Have you ever wondered how hotels and restaurants get those really cool little vegetable flowers on the side of the plate or on the room service tray? Well, this is how you get a carato from Monkey Business. And this thing has some dual actions. I mean, you can use this for carrots, you can use it for cucumbers. It also is a dual use. It also includes a peeler, like a regular vegetable peeler, but you can do a lot of fancy things here. My dog loves carrots, so I just made her doggy dish look really exceptionally beautiful for dinner that night because I am not a big fan of carrots. However, my dog loves them. But that's kind of what it looks like. It's really easy to use. See, there's right there. That on the back is the peeler, the regular vegetable peeler. And thanks to Monkey Business for sending me over this awesome kitchen tool. It's an awesome little gadget. It's easy to use. There's no learning curve here, and you're going to look like a pro. So you can make carrots, you can use all kinds of vegetables in here, radishes, anything you can think of. And then you can just use it as a regular vegetable peeler too. So it's dual use. I mean, wow, this thing really impresses.